If an intruder approaches my home, I will get an alert on my phone. And one of two options will take place. If my football team is winning, I will call the police on them. But if they are losing, I'll open the door and send out Achilles after them, and he'll eat them up like a T-bone steak. Hello out there. This is Grandma Hates Tech, and I'm back for another video. You've seen my other reviews, and now you'll see the Ring Spotlight camera, which I have in the backyard. First of all, I would like to know what you think of my videos. And if you like my videos, please subscribe, and I will make more. And now I have Ring cameras, the front and the side, and I've decided to put them in the back. I've decided to go with the Ring Spotlight camera in the back because once I go down the steps, the light comes on, shows me the way. It allows me to keep my eye on the dog, Achilles, when I put him out in the backyard. Now, if you're new to my channel and you don't know who Achilles is, I'll show you. Achilles! Achilles, come! Achilles! Come! 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 Good boy! Good boy! Sit! 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 See? This is Achilles. Kiss! Don't knock my deer over! First of all, let me get to the obvious. If somebody jumped over my back fence, they would jump back right over again, because otherwise they would be eaten by my big black German Shepherd. If an intruder approaches my home, I will get an alert on my phone. And one of two options will take place. If my football team is winning, I will call the police on them. But if they are losing, I'll open the door and send out Achilles after them, and he'll eat them up like a T-bone steak. I don't think they want the second option, so better pray that my team is winning. Come here, Achilles, come. Would they want to be eaten by this dog? Show your teeth. Ah. Oh. Yeah, oh, look at those teeth. I think it's a perfect camera because it adds security to my house. And it also provides light at night. Do you really think I need all these cameras with my dog Achilles? Achilles, come. Hey, what do you think? You're my watchdog, right? Who's going to break into my house with this huge dog? He will eat him up just like apple pie and ice cream. If I ever notice something missing in my backyard, I can go back and check the history, as I have for 2 months. Here are some video clips of my saved videos. Now also, you can hear everything outside. I put the link down in the description, but don't buy it. It's too damn expensive. Go buy yourself a big dog, like Alexa. I mean Achilles. Alexa, come here. Achilles.
I would if I could, but I may need a helping hand.
He's outside. He was outside, guarding the property. Did you find anybody out there? Huh? Did you find anybody? I am just looking at my YouTube channel, and I notice I don't have many subscribers. Would you please subscribe? And then we could become friends. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you found it useful, good for you. Please subscribe to my channel, and then we can be friends.